Health benefits of broccoli. Broccoli is packed with nutrients. Over 10% of your daily vitamin A, B6, B2, and E requirements can be met by 1 cup of cooked broccoli. And at least 5% can be met by magnesium, zinc, iron, calcium, and selenium. The plant-derived omega-3 fatty acids in this powerful veggie are called alpha-linoleic acids, or ILIs, which help fight inflammation and improve circulation. Let us see more health benefits of broccoli. Fiber is abundant in broccoli. Each cup of whey broccoli provides 2 to 3 grams of fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and feeds the gut bacteria that support immunity, anti-inflammatory, and mood-balancing functions. Possibly helps prevent cancer. Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, cabbage, kale, broccoli, and collard greens are all members of the cruciferous veggies group. Compounds in this group of plants have been linked to cancer prevention. They neutralize carcinogens and stop cancer cells from growing and spreading. In the United States, heart disease is still the leading cause of death for both men and women. Broccoli protects the heart. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables protect the heart by reducing the damage to arteries that causes hardening, a predictor of heart attacks or strokes. There is a link between broccoli and brain health. Broccoli contains several nutrients, some of which protect against age-related cognitive decline and help to maintain healthy brain function and nervous tissue. Bones can be strengthened by broccoli. The combination of nutrients in broccoli is vital to bone density loss prevention and bone formation. Reduces inflammation, as well as preventing premature aging. Broccoli's anti-inflammatory power also reduces chronic disease risk. Besides vitamin K, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, these substances are also found in copper, iron, zinc, and vitamins B and A. Detoxifies the body naturally. The natural components of broccoli also act as detoxifiers, assisting the body to deactivate or eliminate potentially damaging chemicals. Antioxidants are found in broccoli. A study has shown that broccoli provides protection against UV-induced skin damage. In addition to protecting the retina and the lens as well, both lutein and zeaxanthin have been shown to help lower the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Follow us for more.